Okay, second portion of our math today, geometry activity 2.2. So this one we're talking about similar and congruent shapes. So when shapes are similar, they're the same shape, they have equal angles, and the matching side can be multiplied or divided by the same number. So note also down here that says all circles and all squares are similar. So when you look here, these are all similar shapes. So they're all rectangles. They are different sizes, right? But they are similar because they all have the same angles. So these are all right angles, okay? And they're all the same shape. So we could figure out how to make this one bigger like this one, okay? If they are congruent, they are equal. They have equal angles, equal sides, equal shape. It's the same shape, okay? So if they're congruent, that means they're the same. If they're similar, that means they are either larger or smaller, but it's the same shape. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna go through this a little and see if it starts. Okay, sorry, I wasn't sure which way it goes. Oops. Okay, so here's what we're looking at, shape A and shape B. So we first need to notice if the angles are the same size as these angles. So are these angles the same?
Yes.
So these angles are the same. Oops, sorry.
Yes.
Forgot I have to click on it 2 times to highlight it. Okay, so shape A is it the bigger or the smaller? So we're going to say shape A is the smaller shape.
Smaller. Smaller.
And then shape B is the bigger shape.
Bigger. Bigger.
So now these are our next questions that we have to decide. Are all the sides on the smaller shape multiplied by the same number of sides to get to the bigger one? So we are going to look at each side. It's color coded for us, so we're going to put the numbers in here. So side 1 is 2.
2. 2.
Side 2 is, purple side is 2.
2.
And the the yellow side is also 2.
2.
So the bigger shape, these are
10.
all 10.
10. 10. 10. 10.
Okay, so we're figuring out what number we can multiply by. 2 times what equals 10? Two times 5 equals 10.
5.
Okay, so if we know up here 2 times 5 equals 10, 2 times what equals 10? All right, we're still going to put in 5.
5. 5.
And then this last one, 2 times what equals 10?
5. 5.
2 times 5 equals 10. Are all the sides of the smaller shape multiplied by the same number? So did we multiply all of these by the same number? Yes.
Yes.
So that means they are
Yes.
similar. All right. So are the angles all the same? Yes, the
Yes.
angles are the same. So we are going to put the shape A lengths here and shape B. We're deciding if these are congruent. Remember, if they are congruent, that means they are exactly the same. So we'll put the sides here.
8. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8.
And then shape B we'll put here. So we're going to put all the 6s.
6. 6. 6. 6. 6. 6.
Okay. Now, if we're deciding if these are congruent, we're either going to decide if it's equal or not equal. So is 8 equal to 6? No, it is not
Does
equal.
not equal.
Since all these numbers are the same, these are all not equal. So are all of the sides of shape B matching to shape A? No.
No.
So are they congruent? No, because they are
No.
not the same.